Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Debian. First, you'll need to download the correct Debian ISO image, which is typically several gigabytes in size, for your computer's architecture. Next, create a bootable USB drive or DVD from this ISO. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, usually at least 2 gigabytes of RAM and 20 gigabytes of disk space. Finally, always back up any important data before starting the installation process to prevent accidental loss. Once your bootable media is ready, insert it and restart your computer, making sure to boot from the USB or DVD. When the Debian installer loads, select the graphical install option for a user-friendly experience. You will then be prompted to choose your preferred language, your geographical location, and your keyboard layout. If you have an active internet connection, the installer will also guide you through configuring your network settings automatically. The next crucial step involves partitioning your disk. For most users, selecting the guided use entire disk option is the simplest approach, which will create 3 main partitions: root, swap, and home. After partitioning, you'll set a strong root password for administrative access. Then create a new standard user account with its own secure password. Finally, choose your desired desktop environment such as GNOME, KDE Plasma, or XFCE from the available options. After the installation completes, remove your bootable media and reboot your computer. Your system should now boot into your newly installed Debian operating system. Log in using the user account you created during setup. As a best practice, immediately open a terminal and update your system's package lists and all installed software to their latest versions. Then, you can begin installing any additional applications you need to customize your Debian experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.